Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the lower spray arm in a Maytag dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new lower spray arm. This lower spray arm is mounted on the water supply tube at the bottom center of the dishwasher's cavity. The arm freely rotates, spraying water onto the dishes while the circulation pump is running. If your dishes at the lower rack are not coming out clean, check the lower spray arm for cracks and clogs and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the dishwasher door. Now we're going to roll out the lower dish rack and lift it up and put it on the counter here so it can work. To remove the lower spray arm, we need to grab this plastic base. We have like 4 points and overlap that the spray arm and turn this counterclockwise. This is the old lower spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our lower spray arm. Let me explain how this spray arm is mounted on the water supply. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs here. That's the locking tabs, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4 pins here on the base. So we need to place it in with these pins in between the locking tabs. Just put it down, and I'm going to turn the base clockwise till it clicks. And now we can reinstall the lower dish rack. I'm going to place it on the wheels and slide it in. And we can close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.